427 small block Ford. Just got done running it. Your description is combination. It's got our heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got the PM Pro M manifold. Accufab throttle body. Fuel management. Holley Terminator X. Got the front sump oil pan. Got the March Monix kit on the front. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Take you in there, show you at end. Alrighty, 3,400, 460 foot-pounds of torque, Peaks torque 490. Peaks horsepower 501, we're rated 500, it's got a front end on it, so it runs good. Get her off there in a crate, come your way, have a great day.